Hi guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing curry chicken with carrots for dinner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken and it's already cleaned and washed properly with my vinegar and my lime. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and start seasoning my chicken. Now, I went ahead and add some of my garlic salt to my chicken, and you don't want to add too much of that garlic salt because it's very salty, just a little bit. Then I will go in and add some of my all-purpose seasoning. I will also add some of my paprika and some of my black pepper. For today's recipe, I will be using two types of curry. I will be using the Maggi curry powder, and of course, I will be mixing it with the Indian curry. Now, I know a lot of Jamaicans like their Betta pack curry. However, it's a little bit hard for me to get, but if you do have it, you can always go ahead and use it. Or if you don't have Betta pack curry, you can always go ahead and use any other curry that you wish to use. As you can see, I went in and I added my curry powder, both the Indian and the Maggi curry powder, and then I'm just going to combine this together nicely. I went ahead and chop up some onion, some scallion, and I also chop up some of my garlic and my scotch bonnet pepper, and I will go ahead and add it to this also. And of course, I'm going to add some of my fine leaf thyme today. If you don't have the fine leaf thyme, you can always go ahead and use the French thyme. Once my chicken is nicely seasoned, I will go ahead and just put it to the side for roughly about half an hour. All of these items that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local meat shop, and of course, you'll get nice chicken there as well. And if you visit your local farmer's market, you will get the carrot, the onion, and the scallion, and all of that goodness, nice and fresh. I also went ahead and add some of my garlic powder, and remember that you can always go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using today. So now it's time to go ahead and start preparing my curry chicken. Of course, I have my Dutch pot. I added some of my vegetable oil and we're going to allow that to hot, and then we're going to go in and add some garlic and of course a scotch bonnet pepper. Some persons tend to add ginger. You can always go ahead and add ginger if you have ginger or if you want. But if you want to do it my way, you can always go ahead and add a little scotch bonnet and the garlic. And of course, we're gonna add our curry powder. Again, I'm not adding too much curry, just a little bit, and we're gonna allow that to burn. And you don't want to burn it too much, you don't want it to be too dark. So again, I'm using the Maggi curry powder and also the Indian curry. So if you have the Betta pack, you can always go ahead and use the Betta pack curry. Then I'm going to go in and start adding my chicken. Of course, I'm just shaking off the onion and the scallion and all of that goodness. And we're not going to add any water to our chicken just yet. We're going to allow our chicken to spring its own water before we add a little once it's almost finished cooking. Remember to turn your stove on medium heat. Don't turn it up too high. Medium heat is always perfect. And you don't want to turn it down too low. So once you add your chicken, you just combine everything together nicely. And then you can go ahead and just cover it and allow it to just cook down for roughly about 10 or so minutes. And then we're going to come back and look at it. So while that is cooking down, what you can do, you can always go ahead and start preparing your carrots. You can go ahead and just wash them and peel them if that's what you want to do, or scrape them, whatever you normally do with your carrot. You can go ahead and do that and just wait on your chicken to almost finish cooking before you add the carrots. Remember that we don't want our carrots to be too soggy. We want them to be crunchy and nice. So after 10 minutes, this is what my chicken looks like. As you can see, it starts to spring its own water, which is very good. So we're just going to combine this together nicely again. And of course, we're going to cover it and just allow it to cook down some more. And then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like once it's almost finished cooking. Remember, you can always go ahead and have this amazing curry chicken with a dumpling, banana, yam, whatever you have at home. You can have it with some white rice. You can have it with some rice and peas. If you look over, you will see that I'm cooking some white rice for my curry. And you can even go ahead and have it with some roti. So whatever you have at home, you can always go ahead and prepare your curry chicken with it. But let me know in the comment section what you think and what you would have this amazing curry chicken with. All right, guys, so this is my curry chicken. As you can see, it's almost finished cooking. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my carrots. I will also add the onion. I will also add the thyme and all of that goodness that we add earlier. As I said, you can always go ahead and check the description box. All of the ingredients will be listed there. And then I'm gonna add some water to the container that I season my chicken in. And please note that this is hot water, and I'm gonna add the water to the chicken, and then I'm going to combine everything together nicely. And remember to always taste, just in case you need to add some more of your chicken seasoning or some all-purpose seasoning or a little bit of salt to it. And then I'm going to allow this to just cook down nicely, and once it's finished cooking down and make that nice thick gravy, I will come back and show you guys the final product. So here it is, guys, the final product of my amazing curry chicken with carrots. I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. We're on our way to 8K subscribers. Remember to share with your families and your friends and tell them about Kylie J's Kitchen. Bye guys.